Okay then. Am I streaming? Who knows? Just mucking around with the technologies. So everything's mirrored, so it's this hand. Is this hand? 1, 2, 3, 4. Microphone is apparently doing its thing. Ooh. Ooh. So this is just me mucking around with some software, something called OBS. Not used this before, but given that Google Hangouts is an utter pap, I might as well try YouTube streaming instead. So it seems to handle transparent pictures. Woo, that's kind of cool. Probably could come up with some kind of microphone cuts out if I don't have audio going in the headphones constantly. That's not good. So this headset cuts out. So if I play some stuff in the background, some generic music really quietly, but don't stream the audio, maybe that'll work. So let's try that. I'll have the volume low. That will work. So that's my headphones constant use. So I can put Lightroom in the background and zoom in my picture of the sun so I can share pictures, which is easy enough. Obviously the webcam's still working so you can see me whilst I'm streaming pictures, which is kind of cool. Seems to be working. Ooh. I can make my face glow orange when I do that, and then obviously I can click around different pictures. There's a picture of the moon. The moon. Well, so far this works pretty well. OBS is telling me that I'm uploading at 2,700 kilobytes per second, which is kind of no laggy coolness. Huh. I like this. So the aim of the game will be to stream views of the sun, the moon, and space through my telescope. Obviously that'll be on the laptop, so I'd probably be streaming a virtual window of that. So yes, apologies if you've somehow managed to randomly find this and start watching this. It's just me mucking around with the technology. Yeah. And to check it all works. New headset as well, so this weighs a ton. But it's awesome. And the microphones, I think, going to be a bit better than the webcam microphone, because the boom mic is here. Hopefully this isn't too loud or hollow sounding or crackly. I should probably watch the stream back in a bit. Whilst I'm chatting away to myself. Although apparently someone is watching. I do apologise, this is just me mucking around. So if I load up OBS again... So if I can add another window... Ooh. Okay, so if I load up a random astronomy photo in a separate thing, let's have a go at this. Let's try this out. So, art images. Yes, you're learning my file structure here. Astrophotography. Let's try the picture of the Crescent Nebula. So, open with god-awful thing known as Windows 10 Photos. So there's a picture of that. Cool. So if I load up OBS, add a media source, window capture. Alright. Nope. Let's try that again. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Yes, okay, so I can add. That's obviously not working. Right. Frame host, Lightroom. It really doesn't like Windows. Oh, no. No, it doesn't like that. Okay. So I can delete that. But I can add multiple image sources. Sweet. So I can delete that quickly. Right. Ah, I guess that works then. Saturn. Well, I can go to the horsehead. My work in progress horsehead photos. Roll on winter, and I can add the final 5 frames. 5 more frames to add to this one, and then I can start doing the colour version. Can't wait. There's the raw data. Some of the raw data and stacking process. I think this is going to work quite nicely. So the aim will be to stream live user space through this. And if I can find ways of getting people to join the live stream, that'd be sweet. Because Google Hangouts is terrible. And this is a lot more customizable, in theory. Or at least I could do some individual unique shows as well. Without all that gubbins. Right, I'm going to stop streaming and waffling to myself. So thanks for joining this randomness. As you can see, I've squiggered over myself. I've got me in the corner here. In fact, I can move me around. Ooh, let's muck around with that for a second. So I can move me over here. I think. Let's move that over there, and then put me behind there, over there. It's kind of cool. I'm sure there's lots of settings I need to learn for this, but it works. I wonder if I could get a green screen and put myself in space. Might be a little adventurous. Right then. Thanks. Toodles. Sorry about this. There will be actual proper streaming coming from me soon.